What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Adidas Stan Smith with two different ways to complete the lacing style. In the first part of the tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Stan Smiths like this, which is more of a traditional way of loosely lacing, with the laces not coming all the way up to the top as the top hole is left for that loose lace look. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. Just draw it up into the shoe a little bit, and then when you take your lace across the front, just flatten it out between your fingers to get rid of any twists. And then the end of the lace is going to come down through that first hole on the inside of the shoe. Then, to make sure our laces are the same length on both sides, put the ends together and pull up like that. So that outside lace is going to come across to the inside second hole, bringing it down into the hole, keeping the laces nice and relaxed, so don't pull it too tight. Then the inside lace is going to come across to the outside second hole. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the inside third hole. Then the inside lace comes across to the next hole on the outside of the shoe. Then bring the outside lace across to the next hole on the inside. The inside lace comes across to the next hole on the outside. And then one way to make sure that all your loops are the same width is just to gently pull your shoe out a little bit. And then once you've done 4 loops, I'm going to use the loop on the tongue. Now sometimes I don't use it, but this tongue is quite slippy, so to hold it in place I'm going to take the outside lace through that first. Just glide it through the loop and then down through the next opposite hole. Then take the inside lace through that loop, sitting on top of the lace that's already in there, and down through the 5th hole on the outside of the shoe. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it down the 6th hole on the inside of the shoe. And then the inside lace comes across and down through the last hole that we're going to go down on the outside of the shoe. And then we're going to take that outside lace, and rather than coming down that last hole, we're going to go from the back to the front. So we're going to go out the hole, and we're going to leave a little bit of lace. It's up to you how much you want to leave hanging out, which will give you a loop. Then take the inside lace and go out through that top opposite hole, which also gives you a loop. Just check that those bits that are hanging out are the same as each other. And then those 2 loops are going to go behind the tongue. So just slide them down behind the tongue and you'd wear those on top of your feet. So there you've got the first loosely laced style. Now the only thing about this sort of style is it's quite a traditional way of wearing your loosely laced shoes, but you do tend to find that your shoes do wear loose a little bit like this as you're wearing the shoe. So there is a way to stop that. There's a bit of a solution for that. So let me show you. If I take the last 2 pieces of lace out through those holes and bring them back to the front, I'll just adjust that one and that one. And what you can do instead is you can take your laces and you can tie them in a bow. So I'm going to tie them in quite a tight bow. So just a typical bow like this. I'm going to pull it quite tight as well to make sure it's not going to work loose. And I'm going to take the 2 loops and I'm just going to pull them down a little bit to make them a little bit smaller. And then pull it again, which leaves me 2 longer bits at the end. Now this bow is going to go behind the tongue. So I'm going to slide that behind there, like that. And then the 2 ends that you've got are going to come out through those 2 holes. So I'm just going to push that one through there like that. Push the other end through. And that bow would be worn on top of your foot. Now because you've secured these laces with the bow, they're not going to wear loose. So you're going to get that exactly the same look with that loosely laced feel as well. But this time it's going to be a more secure way to wear it. So let's move on to the second way to loosely lace your Stan Smiths. So the second way to loosely lace your shoes is to take your lace through that top hole twice. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. This is a really secure way to wear your loosely laced look, knowing that these laces are not going to come loose, but you've still got that cool leisurely look to your shoes. So let's get started. So just like the left shoe, I'm going to start the right shoe by bringing the lace down through that first hole on the outside. Flatten out your lace as you come across the front and bring the end of the lace down through that opposite first hole. Again, just pull it up a little way, and then to make sure our laces are the same length, ends together and pull up. So the outside lace comes across to that second hole on the inside. And then the inside lace comes across to the second hole on the outside. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the third hole on the inside. Again, keeping your laces nice and relaxed. And then come across with the inside lace across to the outside. And that outside lace come across to the inside. And the inside lace comes across to that fourth hole on the outside, which gives you 4 loops that you've made. And now we come through to the hoop on the tongue. So push your lace through the loop, keeping it nice and flat, and down through that 5th hole on the inside of the shoe. And take your inside lace through the hoop, sitting it on top of the lace that's already in there, and down through that 5th hole on the outside. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across and down the next opposite hole. And take the inside lace across and down through the opposite hole. And then this time's different to the left hand shoe. We're going to take the lace and we're going to go down through that top hole. And then the inside lace comes across and down through that opposite top hole, which leaves you with a little bit of lace left over. And what we're going to do this time to secure the shoe is we're going to take that lace from the outside and we're going to take it through that top hole again. So pull your laces up and out the way and push your lace through the bottom of the hole like that, bringing it out as much as you would like, which leaves you a loop. Then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to go out through that opposite hole. So again, pull your 2 laces out the way, pop that lace through the bottom of the hole. Just check that you've got your 2 ends of the laces that are the same, and then bring those 2 loops behind the tongue. So I'm just going to push them under there, and you'd wear those 2 loops on top of your foot. Just going to check all the laces are the same as each other. And there you have your alternative way of wearing that loosely laced style. So you still get that nice casual look, but this time those laces are not going to pull out as you wear your shoe. And also having the lace come further up your shoe, it's not going to make the shoe slip on your heel as much as it would with a lacing style that comes lower up the shoe. So, hope that was helpful. So now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have 2 cool ways to loosely lace your Adidas Stan Smith. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.